Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this one we are going to unbox Geeetech a20m, which is a multi-material 3D printer, and we will take a look at it. In the next videos I will show how to assemble it, draw settings, and we will do some prints. But let's open this box for now. So first thing we have is the user manual. In here we have all the assembly steps and ingredients of the materials. Everything is located in this one, so read it. The other one is leveling paper, so they gave this leveling paper to make the leveling. It is very straightforward. I'm going to show it as well. The next thing is the cable, which is a 110 volt US plug. When we remove this cover, we see the Z-axis assembly of the entire printer, which is located right at the top. And now I'm going to remove it. And as you can see, we are here doing two Bowden extrusion systems and to the same extruder right in here. Everything is assembled when you look at the Z-axis itself. And we have the extruder here with a big block of heater. So when we look at it closely, this is the extruder. Comes with the entire assembly. It is mostly assembled, including the Z-axis limit switch over here. So this dual extrusion comes with the two inlets, and these seems like a vertical inlets, not a Y-shaped assembly. And then here is the nozzle with a bigger heater block, and it seems like one filament is going to pull itself back while the other one is getting pushed. So this is a dual extruder with single nozzle in here. Next we have a mouse pad for the Geeetech, from the Geeetech, the mouse pad. So I think this is good to have. I don't know, I'm not using mouse pad these days, but the next thing we have is the box of the tools with some filaments inside. Let's take a look at it, what we have. We have some ziplocs and we have more tubing for the extruder. We have a scraper, USB connection, and we get some filaments, Geeetech PLAs, black and gray a little bit. Next we have the entire assembly. Next we have the entire assembly for filament holders. There are of course two of them because of the multi-material printer. And we have other stuff to assemble the printer, Allen wrenches, screws, and we have two extra nozzles as well, which is great. In the smaller box we have the SD card, which is 4 GB, and some of the filament detection sensors. I can see there are filament detection sensors inside this one. Next is the extruder motors. We have two of these extruder motors that will be assembled on top of the printer. So we have two of them in here with the gears and everything. So these look good. Okay, this is the close look up for the extruder motor. It has the gear, connections, and everything. And there's this push section over here, which I'm having hard times to push with single hand. But when you push, it opens up, and this is ready for assembly, and we will assemble it in the other video. Also, if you look at inside of these, there are some more screws left in there, so don't forget to take them. The screws come out from that pocket are these, and also a locking mechanism for the pneumatic connection, so don't forget these. Okay, let me remove this base from this package. Now I find the cooler duct for the extruder. And this is the sheet that goes on top of this one. Seems like the bed is detached, so we will need to attach it. And let's take it out. when we take it out, you will realize that some of the bed assembly is detached, probably because of the vibrations, but you will have strings and the knobs to attach it. So collect them from the bottom of your box. And this should be it. Okay, now I get the base to the table, and as you can see, it is Geeetech a20m. It has the screen over here, which is like a not touch screen, and there's a reset button here, as far as I understand. There's a knob. Pretty standard connections, and the SD card connection is in here, USB connection. This is the heat bed area, which is right now shaking, but it will be stabilized by using the rollers under there. So we will fasten them and stabilize this bed over time when we're assembling it. And the next section, let's take a look, is we have the power button, connection region. We have the fuse section over here. All the cables that are going to the up section are located here, combined, coming out of from this hole. And let's look at the back of it. From the back of it looks like there's this cable. So there are two cable bundles coming, one for the bed plate over here and one for the Y-axis connection, motor and limit switch over here. And the other thing that we have here is the voltage arrangement, which we will need to do. And right now it's on 230, which is supposed to be 115, which we will swap it. And let's look under this. Under the printer is covered with metal, and everything is located in here. We have fan here and another fan in here, power section. And there are two openings in here which will help us to fasten the Z-axis from here. So you can see the frame under there. And yeah, this is pretty much the printer, and we have like rubber feet as well. And this is the overall printer. As you can see, all the parts of this printer are on the table: the bed section, the Z-axis section, and everything, the small pieces and nitty-gritty. And we will assemble it in the next video, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out the new videos coming in. I am back, and we will be making more videos, and they will be coming soon. I hope you guys like it. If so, click the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you guys until next time.